Switch, and we're back with another video. Today we got an unboxing video once again, and this one is an outfit and it's a costume, more of like a Spider-Man costume. This is the Spider-Man Far From Home suit, advanced suit, and I think it's called Cosplay. I gotta figure out the name, but I'll definitely have it in the link in the description down below. And we're gonna see what this looks like. So obviously the first part, you got the mask. Now definitely texture feels nice. Lens are looking pretty good. Obviously they don't move, but yeah. And it zips, zipper up and down. Now it definitely smells really good. More of like a ink toner cartridge, or like the ink you get from a pen at school. But yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna try that on soon. And then you got the suit itself. Now this has everything. Got the foot pads, got the gloves, got everything. And this is pretty much it. And obviously you could tell with the hands right here. Got the web shooters and everything. And then we got the shoes. Everything's all connected and it's gonna fit good. Hopefully it fits my foot, but this is basically the whole thing all together. It looks very, very nice. And we're gonna try that on, test it out, and we're gonna see how it goes. So I'm gonna get dressed real quick. I'm gonna test how it feels, the material, the mask, visibility, everything. We'll talk about it. Well, there you guys got it. So far, the suit feels nice and firm. At first, the body feels a little tight. That's because I gotta get used to it. Move around in each part. But overall, I think they did great with the suit. This is, you can see in the details and the webbing, web shooters, fits nice around the hand. The design on the spider logo is good. Foot pad and everything's all good. And I don't know if you can see the back side, but it's got that white spider logo. And of course, eyes. Can I see? Of course I can. Now it's the little white netted area to hide your eyes, but you could see, not fully 100% clear, but you could still see, so it's pretty good. But it's enough for a whole bunch of poses and a whole bunch of stuff for cosplaying, Comic-Con and all that stuff. But overall, I think it's a nice suit. Definitely recommend it. If you're gonna get it, go down to the link I got down below. It's a bit expensive, but if you're willing to pay for it, get it. I don't see why not. If you're really looking to get in the suit, get it. They got this one at Homecoming, Infinity War, Endgame, all of them. And a whole bunch of other hero costumes. So, yeah, great power becomes great responsibility. I've been wanting to say that. Ever since I was a kid, I've been wanting to get a suit like this. So, this is pretty cool to have. And I'll definitely wear for future references. And if you guys want to see some posts, go to my Instagram. It's the same name. And I'll be posting there. Peace.